right, so x is negative, okay? So when you square a negative number, it's going to get larger. So this first one, I'm going to call these A, B, C, D, E. All right, so that's not going to be very small, okay? Because like a negative 5 squared is a positive 25. All right, same thing for part B. This is going to get larger because you're squaring it. E, you can cross it out because x to the fourth, wow, negative 5 to the fourth is going to be positive. That's going to be really big, and you're subtracting off a little number. So it's going to be either C or D. It's going to be D. Let me see if I can show you why. Well, when you cube a negative number, you're going to get a negative number. So this is a negative number minus 0.502. Okay? So it's going to be negative. Negative number minus 0.502. For example, negative 8 minus 0.5 is going to be more negative. Okay? That's going to be negative 8.5. Now, is the answer C or D? It's going to be D because this is going to be negative and you're subtracting off a larger number. 0.511 is larger than 0.502, so that's going to make it even more negative. Okay, so your answer is D. I hope that makes sense. Let me see if I can show you. If I had negative 8 minus 1, that's negative 9. But if I subtract off an even larger number, negative 8 minus 2, it's negative 10. It's got a smaller value than negative 9. I think that's a better explanation.